Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna try on some clothes in Maje and Sandro, so let's try it on. For new season clothes, I can see red, pink, salmon, sky blue, any pastel color. These are perfect for Valentine's Day and also for spring season. So let's try to match with my Gabrielle backpack from Chanel. So this tweed jacket, there was only size 40 to try it on, but I think you can go down for similar size because it's really snug fit. Love this Barbie pink color. You can match with jeans, but you can match with any skirt. It was from previous season, so it was on sale. So this is my favorite look. Love this edge of the raw hem and also the denim trimming. The silver tone button really goes well with the jacket. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm gonna match with jean maybe. This jacket is so versatile. You can match with the casual style and with skirt as well. But the price was like 500 something. I would wait for the sale. Love this salmon pink color. So pretty in rear. You need to see in rear. Yeah, the cardigan and then skirt and top. You can wear all as a one set. It's so pretty. This red Houndstooth short goes well with the red top sweater. It's so lovely. The pants was a little bit big because I couldn't find a smaller size to try on. But yeah, it goes well with the red sweater. Now let's move on to Maje. This pink skirt is so pretty. The top is from Sandro. Yeah, but you can match with any white top, white sweater, or different tone of pink top would be good as well. I wore size 38, which is my usual size, but it was a little bit tight. You can go one size bigger. This red knit dress is so pretty because it has diamond pattern, rhinestone all over. It doesn't stretch a lot, so go for one size bigger. I love this light pink trim on the pocket. This is gonna be perfect for Valentine's Day. I love this sweater top and the skirt as a set. You can wear separately. For example, yeah, you can match with a white top or sweatshirt for the skirt, and you can wear jeans for the top sweater. It's so pretty. Even though it's tweed, it's not too formal. You can see white and pink and red color mixed. I love this color combination. By the way, there's a dress style, so you can go for dress. I love this skirt with the orange trim on the pocket side. This orange color goes well with the top sweater, which is almost kind of orange color. I don't know, it's salmon pink or orange color. I found the same style, but as a knit dress. You can go for a knit dress. Also, same salmon pink, orange color, cardigan and dress, so you can try these as well. They brought so many orange color and salmon pink, like this cardigan. I love this cardigan than the other one. This is so pretty. This goes well with this skirt as well. You can match with any jean. It's kind of casual style, so you can be feminine, also casual. So I was wondering where's the cardigan matching with this skirt. Yes, there is a cardigan matching with this skirt, and I think it goes well, but I would prefer to wear separately. Like with this cardigan, I'm gonna wear jean rather than wearing this exact same style skirt. It goes well together, but it's too much match. I would get just skirt and match with another top. I love the color of this tweed dress. It was not stretching and really tight fit. You need to go one or two sizes bigger. But this is so pretty. You can match with any white tweed jacket. Seems like this is brand new style. I couldn't find from homepage yet, but it's gonna be soon. I couldn't find this tweed dress either from homepage, but I love this line on the side, and then you can adjust the banding on the waist. It's very comfortable. I found same tone black and white tweed style dress, so if you like other style, you can try. I got something for Valentine's Day, so guess what I got? And let's move on to Zara. I was just checking Zara for Valentine's Day look. I don't know what to get, but let me look around and see. I wanted to get something perfect for Valentine's Day, like pink, lilac, any light color, pastel tone. I love this oversized style in pink. Love this lilac color, kind of sweater but blazer. Love this pastel tone mixture of the color. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm gonna try it on these. Wait, there's some interesting section. They are selling like candle and other things. Maybe perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Now let me try on some clothes I picked. This can be perfect Valentine's Day look. I love this menswear pants. It's mannish style but in pink. So it's interesting and you can match with any like flowy top in pink, different shade of pink. I love this silky flowy top. It's a little bit sheer but it goes well with this pants. Also it goes well with pink Gabrielle backpack from Chanel. So this lilac color blazer, which is actually faux fur top, I love this. It's just so soft. You can match with jean and white top inside. Like the jean models wearing in the photo, I think it's better to wear like dark color jean if you're gonna choose jean. Love this ruffled floral cable knit cardigan. It's so pretty and feminine. You can match with any jean. How about this jacquard cardigan? Different pastel tone color goes well together. Perfect for spring. It's so soft. I love this cable knit top. It's like kind of dainty, like flower on it, so it's like pretty, but not too much feminine. You can match with any jean or skirt. I love this polo sweater. Even though there's like flower and stripe, you don't feel like too much things going on. It's like kind of subtle style, so I love this matching with any like jean and skirt. I love this seamless top in lilac color. It goes well with this jacket. Love it together. There was other colors like black and ivory. You can try those as well. It's so soft and comfortable. So I tried this top with this cable knit dress in pink. You can match with any white top inside instead of this lilac color, but this is so cute and pretty. See you soon. Bye bye.